I hope you are fine and doing good and enjoying your vacations. I'm here with a new topic of grammar, that is apostrophes. Let's take a start of this topic with a definition. Punctuation mark used to indicate either possession, for example, Harry's book, boy's got, or the omission of letters or number, for example, can't or his. Can't is the short form of cannot, and his is the short form of he is. So, apostrophe can be used for two purposes, as a punctuation mark to show the possessions and the omission. In the possession, we can there is no need to write the book of Harry. We can, with the help of possession or punctuation mark, we can write Harry's book. Boys' courts, not courts of boys. Instead of courts of boys, we can write boys' courts. That is, mark is called punctuation mark and it show the possession. Omission of letters, we have not right to full word cannot. We have to omit o to form a short letter, short word. Can't is a short form of cannot, and his is the short form of he is. Now we have to see what are the rules for apostrophe, where they are applicable and where they are not applicable. What are three rules of apostrophes? Apostrophes has three rules to form possessive nouns, as we see this in our definition as well, to show the omission of letter. For example, can't, is the same one. And number third is to indicate the plurals of letter, numbers, symbols, and we should not use apostrophes to form possessive pronouns. For example, his, her computer, like his computer, hers computer. No, we cannot use the possession in the possessive pronouns, or noun plurals that are not possessive. These are three rules. With the help of this, we can form the apostrophe. So, in which words we have to drop which word to make an apostrophe, where apostrophe is used, where omission will be used, which word has to be omitted. For example, in am we have to drop a, in is we have to drop I, and in r we have to drop a. As you can see the example in the first column, I am, I'm. He is, his. She is, she's. It is, its. We are, we are. You are, your. They are, they are. Again, we have another one, have and had. In have, we have to drop ve. In had, we will drop ha. I have, we have to drop ha, and it will become I've. You have will become you've. They have to, they've. We have, we've. I had, I'd also used for I'd also use for I would. And will and shall, next one, will, in will we will drop wi, and in shall